We're going to Greenbelt. Ano yung cafe na pupuntahan natin?
Rebel Bakehouse.
Revel?
Rebel.
Ah, Rebel. Kala ko Revel. Guys, tapos ako mag-picture pa din ako kumain. Napipikon na yung ate ko sa akin. Kanina, nung kinuha namin yung order, yung girl, yung barista ba yun? Sabi niya, tinanong niya kung ano daw yung pabango ko, if dipstick daw ba, ganun. Ang bango ko raw. Kasi hindi naman ako malapit sa kanila, so, ayun. First time ko yun marinig. Tapos na kami sa first exam. Next exam na namin, which is Mandarin. Ano?
Bili na lang tayo Poco.
Ha? Ba't Poco?
Kasi Poco.
Yung iba potcore, ikaw Poco. I guess. Kasi parang yung weight ng backpack na ano niya. You're in the video eating. Sorry. Thank you, Kat. Ay. Gobe. Ay, mahihain ka pala. Currently studying for her front office exam. Also using this Pomodoro thing. Ipa ka! Pick up. Ang nang budol ng McDo. Proud ka? Nanalo kami! Ito ang prize.
Nakatali naman sa kanila eh. Nakatali. Panalo na nga tayo. Sige, chika na.
Kagalit! PE done. Happy birthday, Chris. Happy birthday! Kunyari may amoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ano?
Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi, nakapagpasok lang ang kape.
Ininom mo. pwede kumain.
Nangangamoy. Joke lang. Wow! Ang fake! Ang fake!
Nakakainis.
Happy birthday! Ang fake!
Wow.
Guys, ito yung akin! Still! Yay!
Ay, no, Roma.
Ala! Bakit nagawa ko? Ito.
Ang hirap naman.
Pag umita lang yan. Wala lang. Wala lang. Naisip ko. Perfect for you. Hi!
Ayoko na. Oh, lahat sila may makeup.
Ano ba yun?
Tapos nagkaroon ako ng sakit sa mata.
Baliw. Ano, Cheska?
Ang bakit?
Napapangitan siya pero gusto niya. Uy, bagay kayo. Bagay siya sa'yo. Parehas kasi kayo naka-white. Ang pangit niya rin. Pangit din ba siya?
May CCTV. Medyo ang hirap niya tusukin. There you go.
No online.
Sis. We are here. This is our view. This is the view from our room. Hi.
It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're back from the house. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide. not
I'll go
to
here
learn.
and there. I'll go there first.
Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you.
Gonna buy
Cause you made me so
some
rude.
essentials.
And I promise you good, I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we keep playing games till you fuck off.
Because part about this is been using this. I don't like, someone's using my work.
No, there's no more saving things. You won't pay with pain. I'll just taste the feeling. No more things that ain't your name. You can meet me in the next life, the next one again. Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue.